stayed green. Oh, lovely. When queuing, use both lanes. Okay, so the van's doing something a little bit annoying here. Not the van, the car in front. Can you see they're moving across at a point they don't need to move across? If everyone gets in the right hand lane, because that's where we need to be eventually, you get massive tailbacks, right? And even they've got even signs saying when queuing, use both lanes. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the left lane all the way up. Just be a little bit slower, just in case people pull out in front of you. Look how much further we're getting by using what the roadworks are telling us to do. Now at the end it's going to turn from 2 lanes to 1 lane. So what we need to start doing is merging in turn, okay? But happy days, we've done nice work there. All we're going to do is keep moving slowly, and it should be a merge in turn, happy? So, you know, you should get 1 lane, like for example, the van goes, then the grey car, then us, then someone from the right lane. Yes, yeah, absolutely.
Lights behind me.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, good spot. Can you pull left for me, Tegan, if you would? Well done.
What,
Yeah, a bit like he's done there.
Oh,
Well done. You're fine, Tegan. Well done. Stay there now. That's good. Lovely. Yeah, well done. Great spot. Well done, Tegan.
I just noticed him flashing.
Yeah, brilliant. That's good mirror work, that. Nice one.
Oh.
Excellent. Right, so we've got the cones coming up now. If you put a right signal on and see if the driver instructor will let you in. They should do, because we're merging in turn. Yeah, he is, yeah. Well done. Did it? Because he knows he's on YouTube. Great. Cancel your signal. Now, what everyone does, when you get roadworks like that, everyone panics and immediately gets into the lane that's not closing.
I think I probably would have done that.
Yeah. Could you see the tailback it caused, though?
Yeah.
How people were queuing right the way back there. As soon as you did that left turn at lights, people were queuing, weren't they?
Yeah.
Look how much further we got up. And if everyone was using both lanes, you'd have half the queue. It's mad, isn't it?
Yeah.